Hi, this is Jerry again. Hey, I got a problem today. So you can see behind me, my bees have swarmed. Let's get a close-up of them. Yeah, for some reason, they did not like my hive. You know, too hot. Too hot, maybe they didn't get along with each other. Anyways, they've swarmed and now they're in a tree next to the hive. My goal is I am going to try to get them back into the hive. Someone told me about a trick, about placing a white sheet onto the hive, taking this swarm, and what that means is I'm going to have to either shake them into a box or cut the limb and carry this limb with all these bees back into the hive. Anyways, I'm kind of excited, first time I've done it, but what I'll do is let's try it and see what happens. Hey, just wanted to introduce you to the team here. First of all, right next to me is my neighbor Jason. Jason actually came at the wrong time because I needed someone to help, and he just showed up at my door, and guess what? Jason here was going to help. I will have the bee protection on. He will not. He will cut the branch. I will hold on to the bees. And then behind me is my photographer. Of course, that is my wife. Above all, you want to protect your wife. I was going to put a suit on her, but I'll just ask her to take a couple steps back further than where I'm at. All right, this is Jerry again. This is the plan. What I'm going to do is lay this sheet down here, and I'll have to readjust it. White sheet. I'm going to go and grab that swarm. I'm going to lay it on the center of this white sheet right here. And what I've heard is that if everything works right, these bees will march right back into the hive from where they came from. And look at them. You can see they're just waiting to meet their kinfolk back again. Let's try it. This is the hive. Jason here. Look at that powerful cutting unit he's got. A lopper. And he's wearing white, so he's pretty protected. Yeah. Anyways, he's going to lop it. I'm going to hold on to this. And we're going to walk over to my white sheet.
1, 2, 3.
And get out of here. Wow, Brittany, this is not working as good as I thought. Look at them, they're all there. Kind of what Tommy said. They would shake off and fall down. Hey, where are you? Right there it is. They all fell off. Yeah, they're swarming right back up. All right, hon, you better not get too close to me. But there it is. I missed a lot of them. So this is where they say that they should go right back to the hive. But so far I don't see any movement yet. All right, what I'm going to do this time is just shake the rest of them right in this bucket here. So here we go. I missed.
I'll cover it up and take them over there.
You getting this? Oh, look at this. Success. get these close. Look at these. They're tame. They say there's nothing to protect, so they're docile. Yeah, here we go. So far, they're at least getting to the hive. You can kind of see where they're marching. Now, this could still mean that there's going to be a swarm, another swarm. But so far, it's an interesting experiment here. Going in. It seems like overall, it seems like they're going in, but there's a lot who don't want to go in. And we'll just see what happens. This could be a total failure, but I just want to try to recover more bees back than what I lose. Well, there we go. Hey, it looks like the bees have most of the bees are back in the hive. And what that might mean is that the two queens battled it out, one of them won, and the hive has been reestablished.
I wasn't going to say the name.
Beekeeping 101 by Jerry, the beekeeper.